phone has display of 16.55 centimeters, 6.5 inch, and plus the LCD Infinity V Cut display. 720 by 1600 pixels resolution and 269 ppi. The phone also has HD+ resolution. It has 13MP plus 2MP dual rear camera setup, 13MP f1.9 and main camera plus 2MP 2.4. It has macro camera f2.0 and 16M colors. It comes with 5000 mAh lithium-ion battery. It has 2GB RAM and 32GB internal memory dual SIM, Nano plus Nano. Expandable memory up to 1TB and it supports dual standby, 4G plus 4G. It runs on Android Pie v10.0 operating system. It is powered by 1.5 GHz MediaTek and MT6739WW quad-core processor. It also features front camera and dual_SIM, dual camera and camera. The delivery box contains handset and ejection pin, manual and data cable and travel adapter.